Going to the waterfall in the rain. If the police arrive, we have to leave. We've been caught in a magnificent thunderstorm. It's unreal. It's unbelievable. There's the bike. Got the bike. There's Mon. So we headed to the very first house. And they said, come. So we did. Looking already. Look at this. Epic day, riding into the storm, spending the evening and the night at one of Monica's friends.
Hello!
This is Monica.
And Monica's friend.
And Monica's friend.
Chào Việt Nam đúng không?
Yeah, the interesting artistic guy with his nice pants.
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Neighbor.
He's also a neighbor. And here we have all the good food and all the beers and their special wine, which I can't see now. Problem. We went to the park, the Pumat National Park, after we left the river set up, the tea fields, and a friend, Maya's friend, joined us to go to the park this morning. And we entered the park and they said, no, foreigner not. So we had to turn back, no park, no waterfall, no park, so we will see. So now we're next to the road, there's our bike, there's the friend, say hello. Monica is contemplating what we should do, what next, so we'll see.
Sophia wondering what should we do. I think I want to go back there.
We are resting here in the shade with close to or next to 100 beehives. Look at this. So I think the honey here will be very good.
I'm so happy I cannot say anything in return.
Speechless. We are in a national park. The other one, the lucky one, I think. And that brought us to the waterfall, but it's raining. So we've been walking in the rain and now we're going to keep walking in the rain. Going to the waterfall. So here we go. We're walking in the rain. In the Vietnamese forest in the rain. I'm so happy. There we go. Okay. Waterfall. Can't believe it. Oh my word. Okay, we're going down to the bottom of the waterfall. It's amazing. It's what I came here for. Because I know we're going down. I'm going down. Woo! I'm going to swim. What's there? Is it a fish? A fish! In the rain. In the waterfall. Oh, it is amazing. Good sheep. Come on. This is where we're going to sleep tonight. Sleeping position. There we go. Life at its best. After the swim in the waterfall, or out in the waterfall, in the pool. We came back, they fetched us, they were waiting for us actually. It stopped raining and we came back, but before we went in they said it'll be fine, we can sleep here tonight, we can camp, no worries, but they worried about the police because I'm a foreigner and the COVID situation. So we came here and the friendly woman, she's cute and beautiful, she said no, she's happy, we can stay here, no worries, we can pitch the tent. She's just a little bit worried about the police. So if the police arrive, we have to leave. So hopefully the police won't arrive. So this is it. We're going to hopefully stay here. It's absolutely magnificent. So I am sitting in my little shacky, little thing, and I'm watching the river. It's been raining cats and dogs. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. So here I am, I'm living life at last. The first time since I've been in Vietnam. It is crazy, super amazing. I am excited, I am over the moon.